Everybody keeps saying that Yeezys are dead, myself included. We've been saying it for months now. Okay, Yeezys are done. There's no resale in it. Nobody's hyped about Yeezys anymore. And then Kanye releases the triple threat. 3 different Yeezys in 3 regions of the world. The clay from North America, the true form from like Europe and Africa, and then Asia got the Hyperspace. So we're going to be unboxing a couple of those Yeezys, taking a look at what they look like. And then the main thing that we're going to be doing is predicting resale value for these sneakers, because Yeezys are not dead. There is a lot of resale on these things, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing with them. If you guys are interested in all of that and you guys love Yeezys, then stay tuned. That is coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Warrior here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we are talking about Yeezys. Yeezy 350s to be exact. And it's going to be an interesting topic because there has been a recent release for 2 of those 3 Yeezys that I talked about, the Hyperspace and the True Forms, and they're already out and reselling very, very good actually. And the clays are set to drop on the 30th, which it looks like this video is going to be uploaded on the 30th, so I hope you guys clocked your clays today. We're not only going to be just doing the unboxing and I'll show you guys what the sneakers look like, but we're also going to be trying to predict resale for these things, because I know a lot of you guys want to either buy them now, or are you guys wondering like, are they going to drop in price so I can buy them later? Or for a lot of you guys that are just into the resale, are they going to be able to like flip, or should I hold them for like more value down the road? So the way that I'm going to be doing that is I'm going to be taking you guys through GOAT app. If you guys don't have GOAT app, please go download that in the description below. It is the most important app you need to have on your phone if you're into sneakers. Like, that's it, period. Whether it be new or used sneakers, you need GOAT app because you can sell and buy both of those on there. And I really use this thing all the time because even for beater boxes and stuff, most of those sneakers come in used, and being able to sell used sneakers is like critical. It's super critical. So I've been using this thing for like 2 years now, a very, very long time. My seller rating is like over 600, which is huge. So I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly how I predict resale based off of this app and the data that it presents. So before we get into that, if you guys have not downloaded it, go to the description below, download it right now so I can walk you guys through it while we're doing this video. We'll get into that in a little bit, but let me unbox these things first so I can show you guys what they look like. These sneakers were also bought from GOAT app as well. That's what's really nice about this app, because even though these sneakers were like region exclusive, you could only get the true form in like Europe and Africa, I said, and then the Asian countries got the Hyperspace. Even though it's region exclusive, GOAT basically transcends region exclusive releases because you can buy these shoes online and it gets shipped anywhere. So I ended up picking both of those up. Let's see what we got. And if you guys can see it over here, GOAT verified on the box. Very, very cool inside branding, not outside branding. You guys know how I feel about outside branding. Inside is not bad though. This is kind of clean. We do have a 350 box. This one is in a size 10.5, standard 350 box, boost on the side. The shoe that we got, let me show you guys this first. GOAT verified card. This card basically lets you know that the shoes are authentic. You did not get them from some, I don't know, shady factory making fake Yeezys. These are legit Yeezys. So important, very, very important. And for the actual shoe, this one is a pair of Yeezy Hyperspace, which I've never seen in person before, so this is kind of cool. Yeezy Hyperspace, this is the Asia exclusive one. A lot different in hand than what I thought it was going to be, guys. Like, this stripe is very, very see-through. It doesn't look like the static one. This one, because of the color, you can like see through it a lot more, I feel like. And yeah, I don't know, is this glow in the dark? It feels like this sole can glow in the dark. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments below. And this is actually the other shoe also from GOAT. This one is the True Form, so let me open this up for you guys real quick. Bam! The Yeezy 350 True Form, which is a lot darker than its Hyperspace counterpart. If you guys want to see the direct comparison, there is the difference. This one, obviously a lot darker of a tone. This one is a lot lighter. Obviously gonna get a lot more dirty on this one too. But in terms of looks, man, honestly feel like this is the better sneaker now. It just has a lot more clean aesthetic and the colors work together really, really well. And I just feel like this one can't match with as much stuff. So this is the True Form, this is the Hyperspace. But we're gonna be looking at resale for both of these things. Let us open up GOAT app right now to take a look at what the resale is gonna be for these 2 sneakers. And we can kind of predict the clays as well. And we're just gonna search over here in the search bar for Yeezy Hyperspace. There we go, Yeezy Hyperspace. So if you click on buy new right now, currently this is what the market is looking like for these things right now. So from size 4, it's like 700 bucks. So size 4 through size 7 are like less produced than the size 8s through like the 12. So those ones, because they're a little bit more limited, usually go for more money. So that's information for you guys. That's why the 4 over here is $700 versus like we go down over here to size 8, which is 520, size 9 is like 480, 10 is 470. That's what it's looking like right now for the Hyperspace. And I've been watching these numbers on GOAT for the better part of the last 2 weeks or so, and these numbers have been pretty steady. So what does that mean for resale? That means that these prices are only going to be going up. They will not be going down. You got to figure, the thing is that these things are region exclusive sneakers, guys. Region exclusive means that you cannot get these shoes unless you go to that region, or unless you have an app like GOAT app where it can ship to you internationally. Because of that, there's a limited amount of stock, and when there's limited amounts of stock in sneakers, that means that the value will only go up over time. Reason why is because a lot of people will be wearing these, which is good. You should be wearing your sneakers, but as more worn pairs are brought into the world, less new pairs are around because they're not going to be making more of these. So when there's less new pairs, the price of a new pair ends up going up because it becomes more scarce. It looks like the Hyperspace are actually going for the most money right now, but let's take a look at the Yeezy True Forms now. The True Forms were the Europe and Africa exclusives. These ones, these ones surprised me, man, because I honestly didn't think this was a good colorway because it looks so close to the Beluga. But then when I saw them in person and I've been seeing them on feet more, this is probably the best colorway of the three. With that being said, taking a look at the resale on GOAT, if we click on buy new, again, size 4. Okay, so this one you can see right here, this is a huge difference. The Hyperspace size 4 was going for 700 bucks. This size 4 is only going for 550, so a lot lower. Additionally, if we go down to like the regular size run of 8 to 12, these ones are trending for about 450 to I guess that 9.5 is 510. It's less than 500. So honestly think this is how it's going to maintain itself, is that the Hyperspace will always go for the most money, even if the True Forms look better, in my opinion. That's what you guys should be looking at in terms of scarcity. It should go Hyperspace, True Form, and then clays, because it looks like the clays are trending for not very good at all. Let's pull it up on screen on GOAT. Yeezy Clay 350. And so these didn't release yet. I'm filming this on the 29th. The shoes actually drop tomorrow, which is I think when this video will be uploaded, the 30th. But if you guys look on the screen over here, size 4s are going for 460, and then the regular size runs are going for like 300 and less than 400 bucks. And this is pre-release when these shoes should be going for more money. Oh shoot, and that size 11 is going for 335 only. I mean, that's still resale. That's $100 over retail. But you guys can see that's a lot different than the other two shoes. Reason being, I think it's just because the clays look the worst. Like, they look terrible. They're just a straight up orange shoe. They don't really match well with anything. They look the worst. Kanye screwed us over here because these other two shoes are way nicer. They're way nicer. I mean, that's what it is, but it looks like there's a lot more pairs of clay. The thing with all three of these shoes is it will go up in value over time. You guys can continue to monitor it on GOAT app, which you guys should see a jump, I would say, within the next month or two. Of about $100 or so, because they will become more scarce. These things aren't going to be the same as the Yeezy Statics, which jumped up like 200 bucks in the span of like 2 months or so. The reason why is because the Statics were like the OG model for like this translucent stripe, so that's the difference there. I honestly feel like these things are only going to rise. So if you guys need these shoes or you guys are interested in resale, buy them now, because the prices are going to rise. Clays you could probably pass on if you guys don't really care for them. They will rise in value too, but in terms of resale, it will probably do the worst. The ones you really want to go after, the Hyperspace now, and also the True Forms. So if you guys are really interested in these sneakers, go ahead and download GOAT app. I'll be monitoring it on here as well, and I'll try to update you guys as I can. But yeah, I'm just thankful that I caught these on GOAT really early when the prices were lower, because since I caught them, they've actually raised like 20 to 30 or 40 bucks. That's what I mean, guys. Get it now. Download the app. Buy it now. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys are able to cop those Yeezy Clays today if you guys are going after them in North America or South America. And I hope you guys are able to get your sizes on GOAT app before they explode in price. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys haven't already, be sure to subscribe down below. Hit that like button if you guys enjoyed this video and you guys want to see more resale prediction videos like this. Additionally, if you guys do want to join our channel memberships, we also have that going on down below. Hit that join button and you guys are able to get a whole bunch of membership perks. Check that out. It's very interesting stuff, and we would love to see you on there. So anyway, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, guys. I will see you. Aloha. Shoots.